Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online class for March 2022. In this class, we will be creating 6 sports theme and masculine cards, and you have the choice between 2 different stamp sets. The first is the Hats Off bundle and the coordinating hat builder dies, or the Your Biggest Fan bundle, which includes the stamp set and the sports event dies. You get to choose. You can purchase these items from my online store, and the link is below in the description. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the link is below in the description as well. I am excited to share these cards with you, so let's go check them out. This class can be made with either the Hats Off bundle, which includes the stamp set and the coordinating hats builder dies, or the Your Biggest Fan bundle, which includes the stamp set and coordinating sports event dies. You get to choose. I am showing you the 2 different variations for each card design. I love the fun, bold colors that this stamp set and paper bring to the cards. I also love that these can be used for so many different occasions, and you can change the sentiments to meet the needs that you have. I love that masculine cards can be simple, or they can be stepped up with lots of different layers and textures. And we will be doing both types of cards in this class. And here is the last card. If you would like to make both sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog, and the link is below. This class will run from Monday, March 21st through Saturday, March 26th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, demonstrators and customers. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $30, and you can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com. And again, the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, March 5th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include pre-cut cardstock, envelopes, a new pack of Resin Star Embellishments, 3 new rolls of twine from the Fan Baker's Twine Pack, and 6 6x6 sheets of Hey Sports Fan Designer Series paper. If you would like to make both sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. Link is below in the description. Please note that I reserve the rights to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week of March 21st. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you're able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDFs, instructions for each card in the group. If you're not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will need to choose between the Hats Off bundle or Your Biggest Fan bundle and the coordinating dies. You will want to have 4 different ink colors. in Evening Evergreen, Night of Navy, Bumblebee, and Early Espresso. You will also want to have these 4 colors in Stampin' Blend markers. They are Evening Evergreen, Night of Navy, Poppy Parade, and Daffodil Delight. Of course, you can substitute any products as you wish. Here are the tools you will need: a paper trimmer, Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, pair of paper snips, bone folder, take-a-pick tool, clear blocks B, C, D, and E, and stamp cleaner. You will also want a variety of adhesives, including mini dimensionals, Stampin' Seal, tear and tape, liquid adhesive, and glue dots. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and all the links you need are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye!